Today we're diving into something that's at the heart of every home search, figuring out your wants versus your needs. It sounds simple, but this step can make or break your home search. When you know what you must have and what you can live without, the process becomes easier, faster, and far more enjoyable. I'm Jennifer Vaughan with Dwell Real Estate, and over the last 5 years, I've helped more than 80 buyers in Georgia's Lake Country find their dream homes. And today I'm sharing exactly how we do it. Why wants versus needs matters. When you're house hunting, it's easy to fall in love with how a home looks online. But if your wants come at a cost of your needs, you could end up with a home that looks great, but doesn't fit your life. Needs are the essentials. Wants are the nice to haves. Your needs get you into the right home. Your wants help you fall in love with it. I recently worked with a family with 3 kids that wanted a lakefront home in Reynolds Lake Oconee. It took us over 2 years to find the right one. We toured dozens of homes. Some had gorgeous features, but not the essentials that they needed. So we narrowed their list. Lake views were a priority. Having a main level primary suite was essential, and large family space so they could entertain were must-haves. When the perfect home came on the market, we knew it right away. It met every need and plenty of wants. Now that family says every weekend feels like a vacation. That's the magic of knowing your wants versus your needs. Here's how to define your list. We need to start with the wants versus need worksheet. It's simple and effective. We write down everything you love in your dream home. No limits. We rank each item on a scale of 1 to 10. How important is it? Anything ranked 8 to 10 becomes a need. The rest are wants. This makes your search focused, clear, and confident. Here's some common needs versus wants. Needs often include the right number of bedrooms, location, and accessibility. Wants might be an outdoor fireplace, upgraded finishes, or bonus rooms. There's no wrong answer. What matters is knowing what drives your daily happiness. Here's what we do together. When we sit down to review your list, it's not just paperwork. It's your home search strategy. We'll go line by line to find a balance between needs and wants. That's how I've guided more than 80 buyers in Reynolds Lake Oconee, Cuscowilla, and across the Lake Country. As your trusted advisor, I'll help you focus on what matters most. When you know what truly matters, you don't just buy a house. You'll find your place to belong and your ideal home. Like that Reynolds Lake Oconee family, sometimes it takes patience, but when you walk into your dream home, you'll know it. Download our wants versus needs worksheets at jennifervaughan.com and start your journey today. Until next time, I'm Jennifer Vaughan, reminding you to love where you dwell.